Hello, my name is Robert Brooks. The class is Advanced Visual Frameworks. The term is 1403. In this video, I'm going to go over my Project 3 data sync project. This was definitely a challenging project. It was fun, and it's definitely I definitely foresee this being a good lesson for the future, and learned a lot of stuff. Especially about the App Accelerator cloud services, and definitely found them really nice to use once you get used to it. Real quick, I'll go over my code. Um, not a whole lot of code. Excuse me, not a whole lot of code like the previous projects. It's a pretty simple application. I took a lot of my application code that I've been using for Project 1 and Project 2, and am going to be using for Project 4 as well. My app.js file, clean except just what's needed to run the app. You'll notice I have the ACS sign-in function that signs in with my administrator account, so the app can run. Next one is my UI, and this is all my buttons and functions and everything like that. Then I have my user functions over here. So I'm just kind of going over that. One is to log in if you already have a user account with App Accelerator Cloud, and the other one is to create a user if you do not have an account. All right, without further ado, oh, and then, excuse me, my other JS file is just my forms, so the information that's in my forms, and I pass that to my UI.js file. All right, without further ado, now let's go to my my iPad. Turn it on here. And waiting. I don't know what's going on here, but there we go. Okay, got it working. Now we'll go ahead and launch my Project 3. Once again, I'm using the mobile news icon that I made for Project 2. We'll go ahead and launch it here. All right, first screen is a login screen. If you have a user login, then, and mind you, the ACS administrator login has already taken place, or the app, would not, it wouldn't get this far. It would skip this and go somewhere else. Now, let's start with the create account option right here. So now we have four different options, or four different fields that are required: user login, email, password, first name, and last name. So let's make something up here. Testerson. Oops, having issues here. Testerson at test.com for the email. Password is going to be 12345. First name is going to be Testerson. The last name is going to be Tester. A lot of testing going on here. And we'll go ahead and submit it. And then it will show you, prompts you. It says success. And it will show the ID, the user ID, the session ID right there, the first name, Testerson, and the last name, Tester. Okay, now we can go on. Now the option that I use is just to create a photo, save it, from a saved file locally, and then upload it to the cloud. So we'll go. We'll choose from the camera roll, and let's do this IndyCar picture I have. You can move or scale it. We'll go ahead and use that. Now you can have your, you name the file. Now I already have in the code to automatically put the .png behind it, so it's a valid file format for the App Accelerator Cloud. So let's just say IndyCar, right there. Okay, and we will upload to the cloud. Processing. Give it a second. And there it is. Okay, so it says success, has the ID, has the file name, indycar.png, has the size, updated, and then it also has the user ID. So it's showing you that that picture is associated with the current user that is logged in. So success, okay. And we'll go back. Let's go ahead and get out of this application, and we'll go and we'll relaunch it. There we go. And let's just sign in with a normal username now. One that I know that I've already created for this application. Live.com. Password. Okay, create news. Oops. Actually, let's go back. It says welcome Robert. Sorry. It says welcome Robert. It's actually the Robert is coming from my username that I already associate with the cloud. So I'm pulling that from the cloud for the first underscore name property from the user JSON that's being pulled from the ACS. Now we can go create news. Once again, we'll go to the camera roll and we'll do another IndyCar picture here. Use, and we'll say IndyCar 2. And upload to cloud. And the message actually takes a second. I don't know why, but there we go. Once again, file name IndyCar 2. And you'll notice the user ID is different because it's associated with rwbrooks99 at live.com user. So I'm writing each photo and associating it with a particular user. All right, now that we got that done, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and get out of here, and we'll go to the cloud. So let's refresh this here, where it shows the photos that have been uploaded to the development side of the app, and you'll see those two photos that we just did right here, IndyCar, and there's IndyCar.png too, and you see it was updated just then when it was uploaded. So that shows that it is going to the cloud, and the information would be able to be pulled from the cloud and brought back into the app if necessary. So we're saving the photo to the device, and then we're mirroring the image from your photo gallery to the ACS cloud or the cloud services. Real quick, we'll go to Android, show you that it works. Now, the Android, everything works except for the SD card because there's no storage, there's no images to upload. But I'll show you that it works. So we'll go rwbrooks99 at live.com. Actually, let's do a create user or create account just so I can show you that works on here. All right, so let's go tester at testemail.com. Testerson. All right, we're going to submit it. And there it goes, success. It assigns an ID, session ID, first name tester, last name Testerson. Okay, and it works just like just like it should. It works. It will go. You can create the news, and you can do that same upload. I will show you from here to make it quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Submit. Welcome Robert, let's create the news, and from photo gallery, and it goes from there. And if we had media in there, because it's an SD card because we're running on the emulator, if we had media in there, it would upload it to the cloud, no problem. So that is my my app. It definitely was challenging, but got it to work, and it was definitely a great sense of satisfaction when I did get it to work. So thank you very much, and I look forward to Project 4. Thank you.